Welcome to ESSS Tech Talk series. And now I have with me Mr. Andrew Banks. He is the chairman of MISRA C working group and also the technical specialist at LDRA. So, Andrew, from the whole embedded community, my question to you is, in the Indian scenario, how the standards and regulations should come up to match the global standards, and the product that comes out of India is at par with the global regulations and global market.
I think what is important is that standards are there. The standards set the baseline of how industry works.
Okay.
And while India is developing its own standards in many regards, actually collaboration on those standards in the international sphere will help, because if we have standards that we all use, it helps us to work together so much easily.
Right.
A good example of that is the last few years, India has actually become the chair of ISO IEC JTC 1SC7, which is the software and systems engineering group that covers all the life cycle standards that I've been talking about today. So they are now chairing that group and using that as a baseline to bring those into India. So while I welcome the national standards in some areas, enhancing that involvement of India in the international domain, I think would be a success, not just for India, but for the global community as well.
Okay. So, as a continuation, forums like Emerald Safety Security Summit, how do you foresee or see the contribution this forum make to help this whole community to come up and help the whole standardization ecosystem to evolve?
We are quite parochial in our events. So we hold events in the UK, we hold events in Europe, and they're Europe's. We have events in America, where the Americans, we have events here in India that are largely the Indian community. So what this event has done is a great opportunity to bring people from outside India, for us to talk so people in India can learn from us, but also so that we can listen and learn from the concerns there.
Yeah.
Standards, the importance of standards is that everybody benefits from. We don't want to be seen to impose standards. So getting people from across the world here together is really good. And gives me an opportunity to come to India, which I don't get to do too often, to meet my India colleagues, but also to meet the India colleagues of our partner companies as well. So I'm glad to be here.
Okay. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being part of it.
Thank you very much.